Okay, once again, kia ora and good afternoon to everyone. We've got a little group one from Germany, so guten Tag. Kia ora, welcome. My name is Taida, and I will be your captain and guide through the Bay of Islands this afternoon. My crew, we have got Courtney. Now, I just have been talking to my crew, Courtney, and she says to me, I have this feeling about this afternoon, and I said, come on Courtney, tell me about it. What is it that you feel? She says, I feel like we are probably going to find some killer whales. I said, oh wow, cool. Hopefully we will find them. They were found this in the morning, not by us, by another vessel, and they have been in the Bay of Islands now for about 3 days. The killer whales have been in the bay. So if we find them, then Courtney is right. So we'll see. We need everybody's help to find it. Wave to the ferry driver to the left. That's the ferry driver to the left. So we will see how we go this afternoon. We're also allowed to find dolphins. Now we have a time limit. When the clock strikes 4, we are not allowed to see any marine mammals anymore. So those are the rules and regulations, which is something that we will of course expand on throughout our conversation this afternoon about the killer whales. Hey, there's a helicopter above us. And they have probably just flown back through the inner islands, having a look at the hole in the rocket, some of the scenic routes that the helicopter does. So this is another opportunity to have a look at the severing of a broth that was made out of the little penguin. So I'm assuming as he was consuming, he did say, how sweet is this penguin? Okay, we got some people on board from Germany. There's the German flag here to the right. I think that's the German flag, I'm sure it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wunderschön, wunderschön. So we've got a boat here to the right. They must be from Germany, sailed all the way here to Aotearoa, New Zealand. Yeah, I'm sure that's the German flag. If it's not, pretty cool. Now we've got 3 young fellas on board. They're going to go camping. They've heard the weather forecast. They said no, we're going to go camping. Good on them. Now for you guys that are going camping, if you ever need any help, the restaurant on the cafe to the left hand side, you can always come and have a conversation with people on the island. There are people that are living there. There are people that come here during the day to do some work and they'll go back in the evening. Now if you have got a blue wristband, look at the colour of your wristband. If it's blue, you're getting off at this point of time. And if you're wondering why you have to get off now, well apparently you don't want to go any further. You just want to come to the island. Now if you've got a blue wristband, it's important for me to remind you that this boat leaves at 5:45 this evening. You've got a blue wristband on and you're getting off now. This boat leaves at 5:45 this evening to get back to Paihia, sunset around about 6:30. So that's the timetable. Whatever you do, do not miss the boat at 5:45. If you miss the boat at 5:45, well, what can I say? You missed the boat. If you missed the boat, don't panic. You sit here and wait for us. We will come back and pick you up tomorrow around about the same time. So make sure you don't miss the boat. Green wristband remain on board. For you guys that are getting off now, on the shore to our left hand side, there's a restaurant and a cafe that's available for you guys. So 2 flags here. We've got the American flag and okay, it's time now for me to take you back to Otehei Bay to our left hand side. I'll get my free. Okay, why is it raining? Well, there are 2 explanations. There's the scientific explanation, of course, but this Okay, so we're going to travel back to Urupukapuka Island, Otehei Bay. We'll be alongside the water very soon. And then you guys can go ashore. There's a restaurant and a cafe on the shore. Make sure everybody goes ashore.